Hi, in this video we learn how repetition works with lists. We can use the star operator to repeat the elements of a list. Let's define a list first. How about this? Letters. And now let's use the star operator to repeat the elements of the list 3 times. So, letters times 3. And this is what we get. We can also apply the repetition operator to nested lists. Here's a list called codes. Codes equals 17, 5, 41. And now have a look at this. Triplets equals codes times 4. So here the list codes becomes an element of a larger list. The element of the outer list, which is the inner list, is then repeated 4 times. So, triplets, as you can see, this is a list inside another list. So, this element is repeated 4 times. 1, 2, and so on, inside the outer list. And now let's change the second element in the first inner list from 5 to 30. So, triplets with index 0 with index 1 equals 30. So, this is the outer list. Index 0 means the first element in the outer list, which is this inner list. And then index 1 refers to the first element, or rather the second element, the element at index 1 in this list, which is 5. Okay. And now let's print triplets out. Well, look at this. 30, 30, 30, 30. So it turns out the element was changed in each of the inner lists, not just the first one. This is because the repetition operator creates 4 references to the list codes. So these are 4 references to the same list. Here's a picture to illustrate this. So if we change one element in the original codes list, like 5 in this example, triplets still contains 4 references to this changed list. And this is why we get this result. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.